Hi guys, Amy Hunt, home business expert, and I want to say hi to all my dropshipper friends. I want to also encourage you to open your minds to what Merch Informer is. It is another stream of income that you can make in a different way, basically dropshipping t-shirts. So I don't think this is such a saturated area as in a lot of the dropshipping other sites and auto picking products and that sort of things, because these are unique creations that you will do. So let's say you've never done this before and it's something that maybe you have interest because you can make money with it. And I'm just going to tell you what Merch Informer is. So check out the rest of this video and how you can find products. It basically is a tool that has an academy in it that teaches you step by step how you, who have never sold a t-shirt in your life, can create your own t-shirts by basically not recreating the wheel but stealing information from their tools by using their tools. So what they do is there's a merchant. It's similar to all the drop shipping information that you get. You can search a merchant, but what I like to do is product searches. So if you go to product search and you type in, I can do all things, it'll give you the keywords that related to t-shirts that are actually selling. So dad's, Father's Day is coming up. So the t-shirts that are actually selling is something like this. And what you can do is you can steal t-shirts. Okay, right here, anybody could do this t-shirt because all it requires is words. So how do you make this t-shirt into a reality? Well, you go to the tutorials in your account and it teaches you how to type that in, how to save it, and how to upload it to different platforms. The way you upload it is through what's called a extension that you would put on your toolbar up here. It's called the Merch Informant Lister, MI they call it for short. And what it does is you take an Excel file real short and you upload it quickly. I mean, it's a click, click, click. There's a little bit of work up front, but they teach you how to do it. They show you all the words to use in your listing. I mean, it's amazing actually, and it's evolving, so it's pretty new, so get on it early. There's all sorts of things that you can type in and to look at, and all this I'm just briefly showing that this is available. You can go on here and learn all about the details, but basically if you want to drop ship some t-shirts to a lot of different platforms, I think they have 4 or 5 and they're uploading more. As the year went on, when I started, there were only 2, so you can upload to all these, and it turns into all kinds of products. So it can turn into stickers, it can turn into wall hangings, pillows, socks, like all kinds of accessories. So it's not just t-shirts. So I just wanted to show this to you. I have used this a ton. Let me see if I can show you an example. So if you go here to Merch Designer, you log in and basically you select your product and what you want to make. And what you do is you pick like a design. That's my design based off of your research on your product search. So if you find something that interests you that's selling, and then you can create something. There's templates that you can use. There's clip art, and they're adding clip art monthly. There's different texts. These are some of the ones that I have done. I've done several. There's different shapes. You can do drawing if you're a drawer. Some of my designs are here. So I've used this. I've sold some already, and I'm excited. What actually is surprising to me is I've sold other things as well. I've sold a picture. I've sold stickers. I can't remember what all I've sold. I've sold t-shirts. But and prior to this, I had never ever designed a t-shirt like this online. I just watched their tutorials and I did it. So if making money and you don't have to necessarily do a drop shipping, you want to branch out, this is the thing that I would start with next. Again, if you're interested and you're open-minded to making some more money another way, contact me through my website, amyhunt.biz, or check the description below. I'm looking for partners. Just email me and type in partner, interested in being a partner or something like that, want more information. contact me and I'll do a little 15-minute free session for you to tell you and show you what I'm doing. But thanks again for watching Home Business Expert, and see you in the next video.